Welcome, Pokemon trainers. Ready to catch some cool facts? Today, we're bringing you 10 amazing, funny, and totally mind-blowing facts about the world of Pokemon. Whether you're a hardcore fan or just love the games and shows, these facts will definitely surprise you. Let's dive right in. Fact: did you know Pikachu wasn't always the star of the show? That's right. Pikachu actually wasn't the first choice to be the mascot of Pokemon. Originally, Clefairy was supposed to be the face of the franchise, but Pikachu's cute and electric charm won everyone over. Guess Clefairy just didn't have the spark. Fact: the very first Pokemon Ash ever caught was Butterfree. Forget about Pikachu. Ash actually started his journey with a Butterfree. Yep, that pink little bug was his first Pokemon catch. Definitely a unique way to start a Pokemon adventure, right? Fact: did you know that Snorlax can sleep for days? This heavy sleeping Pokemon literally blocks paths because it's too lazy to move. If only we could all have that kind of commitment to napping. Factor: Pikachu's voice is a mix of animal sounds. Who knew that Pikachu's iconic Pika Pika is actually a blend of various animal noises? It's like the creators just grabbed a bunch of animals, threw them in a room, and Pikachu was born. Fact 5: Ditto can transform into any Pokemon it has seen, but it's not perfect. Want Ditto to turn into your favorite Pokemon? Well, it can only copy ones it has already seen. Sorry, no shapeshifting into a pizza. Fact 6: Jigglypuff's lullaby has real power. Jigglypuff doesn't need to battle to win. It can just sing you to sleep. It's like the ultimate bedtime boss. Imagine if it could use that move in real life. Fact 7: Mewtwo was originally meant to be an evil version of Mew. Mewtwo started as the genetically engineered clone of Mew, but with a darker twist. Glad it didn't turn out too evil, though. Or maybe it did, depending on how you see the movies. Fact: Charizard can't naturally learn the move Fly. Even though Charizard is known for soaring through the skies, it actually needs to be taught the move Fly. It's like the coolest dragon ever, but still needs a tutorial to learn how to fly. Fact 9: Magikarp is often seen as the weakest Pokemon, but just wait till it evolves. This flopping fish may look useless at first, but once it evolves into Gyarados, it's one of the most fearsome creatures around. Talk about an epic glow-up. Fact 10: Ash Ketchum is still 10 years old. That's right, despite all his travels and Pokemon League victories, Ash remains eternally 10. Maybe that's the secret to being a Pokemon master. Never age. And that's a wrap on these 10 awesome Pokemon facts. Pretty wild, right? Let us know your favorite Pokemon fact in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more fun facts. Until next time, trainers, keep catching 'em all.